Hello, I'm Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over unsubscribing from ClickUp. So depending on what you're trying to unsubscribe from, so if you're getting emails from them, promotional emails, and you'd prefer not to get those, you can unsubscribe inside the email. There's a link to unsubscribe from emails there. Or you can email help@clickup.com and let them know that you want to unsubscribe. Now, if you want to unsubscribe from getting email notifications because you have a ClickUp account and you don't want to get as many, that's done in the notification center. I'm going to go over it briefly, but I did an in-depth video of notifications, and you can check that out if you have additional questions. So for this, you're just going to click on the circles at the bottom, and my face is in the way. You go to My Settings, and then I already have it pulled up here. And so over here is where you set your notifications, and you decide whether you get them via email, mobile, in the web app, or browser notifications. So you can pick and choose which ones you want. ClickUp does have a setting where you can get a daily due date summary email. So you can decide on if it's your tasks or all the tasks, and then what time you want to get that email, and you can choose to not have that set up. So I personally don't have that set up in this account, but if you do want that, that's where you can set that up. So again, unsubscribing, depending on if you're talking about the marketing or you're looking for about the marketing emails, just unsubscribe right inside the email, or you can email help@clickup.com. And if you're talking about notifications and getting them via email and maybe you're getting too many, then that's in the notification center where we're at right here. And you can pick and choose where you or how you will receive those notifications. Again, if you're looking for additional in-depth information about the notifications and settings, please check out our previous video for notification settings. Again, my name is Amelie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our ClickUp Mastery channel to catch all the future videos. And if you're looking for additional support with using ClickUp or getting things set up in it, getting projects set up, feel free to use the link below to book a call, and we'll see if we can support you. Thank you.